In this video, we'll show you how to replace the oven door gasket on a GE Appliances range. The only tool you'll need to complete this task is a T20 Torx driver and a soft towel or cloth. To replace the door gasket, you'll need to remove the oven door. Before beginning, place the towel on the floor or a large flat surface to protect the oven door when it's removed. Open the oven door to the broil position. The door will be open about 3 inches, making an approximately 75-degree angle. Firmly grasp both sides of the door at the top. Now lift the door upward and out until both hinge arms are clear of the slots. Once detached from the range, lay the door face down on the towel. On the inside of the oven door, you'll see the old gasket attached to the inner door panel. Remove the 4 Torx screws that hold the inner door panel to the door. The panel will not detach from the door. It will separate from the door just enough to remove and replace the old gasket. Starting at one end, carefully pull the gasket out of the door's cavity. Then continue pulling the gasket from each side of the door panel. Once removed, discard the old gasket. To install the new gasket, lift the bottom of the inner door panel and place one end of the gasket into the groove. Then continue tucking the gasket into the panel around the door until you reach the opposite side. Tuck the opposite end of the gasket into the groove. Then, replace the 4 screws using your Torx driver. Place the door back on its hinges and close the oven door. Note that it may take some time for the new gasket to completely flatten out. We suggest latching the oven door overnight. This will compress the gasket and aid in flattening it out. For genuine replacement parts, shop now at geapplianceparts.com and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for the latest updates, recipes, and more.